Fenugreek Shampoo and Chebe Shampoo Bar. Let's make this. So you need a shampoo based soap. Shampoo based soap is you can find them online, and you need to clean all your utensils. I'm using Chebe powder, and I will put the link below if you want to buy them if you are in the UK. And this is about 2 tablespoons of Chebe, and this is about 150 grams of melt. This is shea butter melt and pour shampoo base. This is shampoo base, not melt really the main melt and pour soap. Now you want to put those in the bowl where you put the soap. The reason why I am doing it is to melt them up together so that it can infuse more. Now I put it in a double boiler, put it in the stove. Whilst it's boiling, it will melt. Then you get your bowl or anything of your choice to mold your soup. After 1 hour, it is ready, and you want to keep it for 1 week before you start using them. You can keep them up to 2 weeks to 3 weeks. It's even more, it's better, and it helps grow your hair and makes your hair add more shine and volume. Yes, that's what Chebe does for your hair. You don't want to miss this. So now look at how it looks like. This is about 50 grams of Chebe each. Chebe shampoo bar is, and this will help you grow your hair. Do you know that it will even remove all the dandruff in your hair and make your hair follicles grow? Now we want to do another one. This is the fenugreek, the almighty fenugreek. This will make your hair silky and add shine and volume to your hair. It gives extreme hair growth. Both Chebe and this, they all give extreme hair growth. This is a very good option as well. This is fenugreek seed powder. Add them into this. I am using 200 grams of the shampoo bar. Now I'm going to put it inside the boiling water. This is the water that I've been using. Allow it to melt, and voila, look at it. You have to mix it with your spoons before you start pouring in your mold. So this is where I'm pouring mine. Each makes 50 grams of um shampoo. That's 150 grams or even more, because I know I measured it for 200 grams. And look at how it looks like. You have to keep it as well for 1 week before you start using it. The both very good, and they can cleanse your hair properly. This is shampoo bar, 100% shampoo bar. You don't need the liquid one. When you start using the shampoo bar, you will love to use them. I would not want to use this liquid. Liquid one is also good, but this one is a bomb because you have to use it. You can travel with this, and you don't need and your shampoo bar will not be collected from you in the airport. And this is a win-win for your hair. Grows your hair, make your hair shine and supple, and that is it. Guys, if you have been watching my video, please can you subscribe to this channel? Yes, subscribe to this channel. And I also thank those who have subscribed to my channel, and I love to say thank you for watching. Now, do you know how you're going to use this? Just wet your hair, lather it up. Just lather it. A little goes a long way. That is why you want to allow it to sit for 3 weeks so that it gets hardened very well. Although it's hardened, and you will love it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.